Once upon a time, there was a girl named Maya. She always struggled with English. She could understand it, but speaking and writing were difficult for her. One day, she decided to improve her English. First, she started reading simple books. She read one book every week. At first, it was hard, but with time, she understood more words. She also began listening to English songs and watching movies with subtitles. This helped her improve her pronunciation and listening skills. Maya practiced speaking English every day, even if it was just for a few minutes. She started talking to her friends in English, and soon, she felt more confident. She also wrote small stories and asked her teachers to correct her mistakes. Little by little, Maya's English improved. She could now speak clearly and understand everything better. Her hard work paid off, and she was proud of how far she had come. The key to success, Maya realized, was practice, patience, and never giving up.